Last week, I saw a man in the park struggling to get up from a chair. He didn't look very old, maybe around 50. He told me simple things like standing up or walking had started feeling difficult because of stiffness. And that's when I realized this is more common than people think. So if you've been feeling something similar, try this simple 10-second test. And if it feels hard, there are 2 movements you should start doing daily. Welcome to Fit Eat Fuel. In this video, we're not talking about complicated workouts. We're focusing on something much simpler. 2 basic movements your body depends on every day, and how it quietly reveals whether your strength is where it should be or not. Because most people don't lose strength suddenly. It fades when the body stops practicing the movements it needs. So instead of guessing where you stand, let's check it in the simplest way possible. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Now stand up without using your hands, and slowly sit back down. That's it. If that felt heavy, slow, or slightly unstable, your body is already losing practice in one of the most important daily movements. And this is exactly where most people ignore the signal. And if that felt harder than expected, here's what's really going on. This doesn't happen overnight. You sit a little more, move a little less, and avoid effort without realizing it. Over time, your body adapts to doing less. And that's when simple things start feeling harder. Not because you suddenly became weak, but because your body is out of practice. So instead of ignoring it, the goal is simple. Start bringing that movement back. So instead of jumping into something intense, start by rebuilding the exact movement your body is struggling with. Sit comfortably on a chair, feet flat on the floor. Lean slightly forward and slowly stand up. Pause for a moment, then slowly sit back down. Move with control. Don't rush. Do 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1 set. You can do 2 to 3 sets through the day, depending on how your body feels. This is not just an exercise. This is you bringing back a movement your body needs every single day. Once your body starts getting comfortable with getting up and down again, the next step is bringing control back into the leg. Sit on a chair with your back straight and both feet on the floor. Slowly lift one leg forward, pause for a moment, then bring it back down. Switch sides and repeat. Keep it slow and controlled, no swinging. Do 10 repetitions on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the other side the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1 set. Again, you can do 2 to 3 sets depending on your comfort. This helps bring control back into the legs, especially if you've been sitting for long periods. Now, one important thing. If you're experiencing a lot of pain, severe stiffness, or if these issues are not improving over time, don't ignore it. It's important to consult a doctor or a qualified physician and get it properly checked. These movements help in general cases, but persistent pain always needs proper medical attention. If you look at these two movements together, they fix something very basic: your ability to get up and your ability to control your legs. And these are the movements your body depends on every single day. Most people don't lose their ability because they didn't do complex workouts. They lose it because they stop doing the basics often enough. So if that 10-second test felt harder than expected, don't ignore it. Your body is not suddenly weak. It's just out of practice. And the more consistently you bring these simple movements back, the more your body responds. If this helped you understand what actually matters, subscribe to Fit Eat Fuel and start building strength where it actually counts.